साखळीतल्या रवींद्र भवनात जावपी ऑक्टिवा ह्या कार्यक्रमात भारताच्या नॉर्थ ईस्ट वाठारांतल्या संस्कृतायेचें आदान प्रदान आसतलें. ह्या खातीर नॉर्थ ईस्ट वाठारांतल्या कलाकारांनी मुखेलमंत्री दोतोर सावंत हांची भेट घेतली. ह्या वेळार मुखेलमंत्र्यान तांच्या बरोबर फोटो काडलो आनी त्या वाठारांतल्यो आपल्यो यादी तांच्या बरोबर शेअर केल्यो. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Welcome to Ravindra Bhavan, Sankhali. On behalf of the state government and Art and Cultural Department, we are welcoming you in the state in my own constituency, Sankhali. So you are doing the various cultural activities from today onwards for another 3 days or 4 days.
From 7, 8, 9.
Okay, 7, 8, 9 in the state of in my Ravindra Bhavan. So definitely our people will come to see the different cultural activities. Along with that, our group will also perform 2-3 cultural activities from the state of Goa. There is a cultural exchange program between your state is Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, and
Assam, Tripura.
Seven Sisters.
Yes, of course.
The Seven Sisters and the state of Goa. This is a good cultural exchange program which is promoted by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Okay, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is always talks about the Vikasit Goa, Vikasit Bharat, Vikas bhi or Virasat bhi. He is always talking about these two concepts, Vikas and Virasat. So definitely on that basis, today this is a good opportunity for you also to know the culture of the state of Goa. That is from the extreme east to the west coast of the India. In the Goa state located. So it is for good for you people to know the culture and heritage of the state of Goa. So enjoy for the 3 to 4 days in the state of Goa. It's okay. I have visited the Tawang. From Assam to Tawang, I had traveled by the 7 days by road.
Yeah.
To know the cultural actually to know the culture and traditions from the northeastern state.
Okay, at least you have to visit the beautiful, majestic Mizoram also.
It's okay.
Thank you.